Hello friends, I'm just showing in this video how to add data types, how to add an existing data types. For example, sometimes when you log in into any application, uh, even if there is a data types are already present, some are not present in your data types table. So what you have to do is just click on add a data type option. Here add a data type. So here instead of new data type, just use existing data type because I have a already country data type. Just type country. Okay. When you press down arrow, see this one, just click on country, click on submit. The data type is present. The data type will be shown in your data types tab. Now as usually you can open the data type.